If you're looking to export data from Salesflare, you're in the right place. In this quick Salesflare explanation, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the data you need out of the platform. Whether you're new to Salesflare or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to easily export your CRM data in just a few clicks. First, it's worth mentioning that you can actually use Salesflare completely free by signing up through the first link below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this offer, so be sure to grab it while you can. Now, let's dive into how to export data from Salesflare. When you're ready to export data, head to the Contacts or Companies tab. Depending on what you want to export, these are the areas you'll need to focus on. You can export all your contacts, specific tags, or even filtered lists. What's really great about Salesflare is its ability to filter the data before export, so you're not just downloading everything in one go. Once you've selected your target data, whether it's contacts or companies, look to the top right of the page for the Export button. Click it, and a dialog box will appear. Here, you'll have a few options, including selecting the format of your export. Typically CSV, which is great for working with spreadsheets and other tools. Salesflare also lets you export not just basic contact information, but also your custom fields. So if you've set up tags or specific data points to track, you can include them in your export as well. This makes your data export process flexible, so you don't have to compromise when extracting valuable insights. But here's where Salesflare really stands out. The platform gives you the option to export your data with just a few extra steps, like filtering by stage in the pipeline or even by specific activities. This means you can pull highly specific reports on your leads or customers, helping you make more data-driven decisions. Once you've set up your filters, click on the Export button again, and you'll be prompted to download your file in the format you selected. It's quick, efficient, and you're left with a clean, organized file that you can now use for analysis, reporting, or further marketing efforts. If you need to export data more regularly, you can also set up automatic exports or integrate Salesflare with other tools using their API or built-in integrations. This is great for teams looking to automate their data handling processes. Remember, Salesflare doesn't just make exporting simple, it makes it highly customizable, letting you take control of what you download so you can get exactly what you need. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive and extended free trial offer for Salesflare by clicking the link below. You'll get full access to the software, plus some special bonuses to help you get the most out of your CRM experience. That's it. Now you know how to export data from Salesflare quickly and efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below and dive deeper into Salesflare's powerful features.